Hey, so today we're talking about equity and if it's a good idea to sell your home when you don't have a lot of equity in it. So this is something that a lot of second-time home buyers face, especially those who are looking to move on from their starter home and make a profit in our hot sellers market right now. So first things first though, let's talk about how you can figure out how much equity you have. So equity is the amount of the home you own because you've paid into your mortgage. You can calculate your equity by taking your home's current market value and subtracting how much you have left to pay on your mortgage. For example, if your home is $450,000 and you have $350,000 left to pay on your mortgage, your home has an equity of $100,000. So if do some quick division, that works out to 22% equity. And an important note here, interest payments do not count towards your equity because they go straight to your lender. Equity is solely based on the amount you've paid off your principal. So when you sell your home, you'll get the amount of equity you have as cash money. Yep, get ready for a sweet payday. But keep in mind that you'll still have to pay the closing costs on the sale, which can run around 7 to 10% of the home's sale price. And if you don't have enough equity, you could end up paying those closing costs out of pocket, essentially paying to sell your home, which is like the opposite of what you want. So I know that it's a really exciting time to sell, but it's best to wait to sell until you have at least 10% equity and preferably 20% if you plan to upgrade your home. Of course, more is always better. That way you won't get stuck picking up the bill for the closing costs or have too little to put down into a down payment. And if you don't have that much equity built up, plan to wait to sell until you hit that sweet 10 to 20% mark. If for some reason you do have to sell with little equity, like you have to move for a job, for example, consider renting your home out for a year to continue building equity so you can sell it later on. And if you want a professional opinion on whether it's a good idea to sell right now, I recommend getting a comparative market analysis done for your home. It will tell you what your home could sell for in our market, which you can compare to your mortgage so you can determine your equity. If you want a free analysis, just shoot me a DM, and if you have any additional questions, let me know.